Imagine, if you will, the moment of the Big Bang. But wait, was it really an explosion? Despite popular imagery, the Big Bang was not an explosion in the traditional sense. Instead, it was an expansion of space itself, a concept born from Einstein's general relativity equations. This means that all distances in the universe are stretching out at the same rate. Picture two galaxies separated by distance x, receding from each other at the same velocity. A galaxy at double that distance recedes at twice the speed. Now consider this. The universe is not only expanding, but it's doing so at an accelerating pace. With time, we may no longer see other galaxies from Earth or any other point within our galaxy. As Harvard University astronomer Avi Loeb explains, distant galaxies are moving away from us at increasing speeds. Eventually, they'll reach a speed so swift, not even light can bridge the gap. What if I told you that our universe might be just one of many? Welcome to the Multiverse Theory. Imagine different universes coexisting like bubbles lying side by side. During the initial inflation, different parts of space-time grew at different rates, potentially creating separate universes with their own unique laws of physics. It's a fascinating idea, one that many models of inflation seem to support. But what if the Big Bang wasn't the universe's first inflationary period? Some scientists propose we live in a cosmos that oscillates through cycles of inflation and deflation, and we're currently experiencing one of those phases. Now, how about a cosmic journey back in time? Telescopes like NASA's Hubble and the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope allow us to glimpse into the distant past. JWST, an infrared telescope, will peer back to when the first galaxies formed, almost 13.6 billion years ago. As the universe expands, waves emitted from these galaxies stretch out, so light emitted at visible wavelengths actually reaches us in the infrared. In summary, the Big Bang wasn't an explosion, but an expansion of space. The universe is not only expanding, but doing so at an increasing rate. We may be part of a multiverse, with our universe being one of many. Lastly, our understanding of the Big Bang and the expansion of the universe continues to evolve, thanks to advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. Remember, the universe isn't just about where we are, it's about when we are.